Hey everyone, today I'm out here at Monjeau Peak, or I'm sorry, Monjeau Tower. It's this historic fire tower right here. It's made of rock. It's out here in this high point, close to Rio Doso, New Mexico. Shooting some time lapse right now, the tower with the clouds going over it. I decided to drive up here today. I've been up here once before, and it was too windy to fly the drone. The wind's starting to pick up now, so it may be too windy to fly it around the tower again today, unfortunately. But getting a lot of shots, some time lapse. A lot of bees are out flying around all these little flowers, and so I got some close-ups of that too and stuff. Nothing spectacular, but enough to be able to share with y'all another video. So stick around and see what we get.